Hey there, future fitness fanatics! Welcome to the start of an exciting new chapter in your life. Stepping into the gym for the first time can be intimidating, but trust me, it's a journey worth taking. Everyone starts somewhere, and today, you're taking that crucial first step. The gym is more than just a place to sweat. It's a sanctuary for self-improvement, a battleground against your limits, and a launch pad for a healthier, stronger you. Here, you'll find the strength you never knew you had. Think of it like this. Every rep, every set, every workout is an investment in yourself. Each moment you spend here is a step closer to your goals. You're not just building muscles, you're building confidence, discipline, and a resilient mindset that spills over into every aspect of your life. The benefits extend far beyond the gym walls. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to rock that killer physique? It's about feeling proud of the hard work you've put in, but it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling amazing. The sense of accomplishment after a great workout is unbeatable. Regular gym sessions boost your energy levels, sharpen your focus, and leave you feeling on top of the world. It's a natural high that keeps you coming back for more. So ditch the excuses, grab your gym gear, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who will support and motivate you. Remember, every fitness journey begins with a single step. Your transformation starts today. Embrace the challenge and celebrate every milestone along the way. Alright guys, let's talk protein, the building block of those hard-earned muscles. When you hit the weights, you're essentially creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Protein swoops in like a superhero, repairing and rebuilding those fibers stronger and thicker than before. That's where protein powder comes in. It's a convenient and efficient way to up your protein intake and maximize your muscle-building potential. Think of it as your secret weapon for faster recovery, reduced muscle soreness, and amplified gains. There are tons of protein powder options out there, from whey to casein to plant-based blends. Experiment and find what works best for your body and taste buds. Remember, consistency is key. So make protein your best friend on your fitness journey. Fuel those muscles, crush those workouts, and watch your body transform. Now let's talk gym equipment. You'll encounter two main types: machines and free weights. Machines might seem easier to use, but trust me, free weights are where the real magic happens. Here's why. Free weights, like dumbbells and barbells, engage more muscles because they require you to stabilize and control the weight throughout the entire movement. This translates to greater strength gains, improved coordination, and a more functional physique that's ready for anything life throws your way. Machines, on the other hand, often isolate specific muscles and restrict your range of motion. While they have their place, they don't provide the same level of overall muscle activation and functional strength as free weights. So embrace the challenge of free weights. They'll push you harder, engage more muscles, and unleash your inner beast. Listen up, rookies. Before you even think about piling on the weight, let's talk about proper form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing your gains. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can add the walls and roof. Focus on performing each exercise with slow, controlled movements, engaging the target muscles throughout the entire range of motion. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights until you've mastered the technique. Remember, quality over quantity. If you're unsure about your form, don't hesitate to ask a trainer or experienced lifter for guidance. They've been where you are and are always happy to help. So, prioritize form over weight, master the movements, lift like a pro, and watch your gains skyrocket. Section 5, the beginner's guide to conquering the gym. New to the gym? Don't sweat it. Everyone starts somewhere. It's completely normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. Here's a beginner-friendly workout to get you started on your fitness journey. Start with 5 minutes of light cardio, whether it's on the treadmill, elliptical, or doing jumping jacks. Follow it up with dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to get your body ready. Next, do squats. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Focus on maintaining good form. Push-ups, aim for 3 sets of as many reps as possible, or AMRAP. Modify if needed. Dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Keep your back straight. Dumbbell bench press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Control the movement. Plank, hold for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Engage your core. Finish with another 5 minutes of light cardio to cool down. End your session with static stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds to improve flexibility. Remember, this is just a starting point. Consistency is key. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight, reps, or sets to keep challenging yourself. Listen to your body, challenge yourself gradually, and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Enjoy the journey. Section 6. Listen to your body. Rest and recover for maximum gains. Now here's something many beginners overlook. Rest and recovery. It's not all about pushing yourself to the limit every single day. In fact, your muscles grow and repair during those crucial rest periods. Aim for at least 1 to 2 days of rest per week, allowing your body to fully recover from your workouts. Proper sleep is also essential for muscle growth and repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Don't forget about active recovery. Light activities like walking, swimming, or yoga can help reduce muscle soreness and improve blood flow, aiding in recovery. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as your workouts. Listen to your body, give it the time it needs, and watch your gains soar. Section 7. Fueling your workouts. Nutrition tips for muscle growth. You wouldn't expect a car to run without fuel, would you? The same goes for your body. Proper nutrition is crucial for fueling your workouts, supporting muscle growth, and maximizing your gym efforts. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein provides the building blocks for muscle repair, carbohydrates provide energy for your workouts, and healthy fats support hormone production. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Water is essential for muscle function and overall health. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs and watch your transformation unfold. Section 8. Consistency is key. Stay committed to your fitness journey. Here's the secret sauce to achieving your fitness goals: consistency. You won't see results overnight, and there will be days when you lack motivation. But it's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Schedule your workouts in advance and treat them as important appointments. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy. It could be weightlifting, swimming, dancing, or anything that gets you moving. Remember, even small, consistent efforts add up to significant results over time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Stay committed, stay consistent, and the results will speak for themselves. Section 9. Celebrate your progress. Every step counts, no matter how big or small. As you embark on your fitness journey, it's essential to acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Every rep you lift, every pound you lose, every extra minute you spend on the treadmill, every goal you achieve is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Track your workouts, take progress photos, and note down your feelings and experiences, or keep a journal to document your journey. These records will serve as a reminder of your commitment and growth. Looking back on how far you've come is a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward. It helps you see the bigger picture and appreciate the small victories. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, big or small, whether it's buying yourself new workout gear, treating yourself to a relaxing spa day, or enjoying a well-deserved cheat meal. These rewards can boost your morale and keep you motivated. Remember, your fitness journey is about becoming the best version of yourself, both physically and mentally. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and learn from any setbacks. Enjoy the transformative process. Each step forward is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. You're capable of amazing things. Believe in your potential and keep striving for greatness. Keep pushing, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself. Your journey is unique and worth every effort. Stay committed, stay focused, and remember that every step counts. Section 10. Join the fitness community. Support and motivation await. One of the best things about the fitness world is the incredible community that comes with it. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and wellness. Join a gym with a supportive atmosphere, find a workout buddy, or connect with fellow fitness enthusiasts online. Having a support system can make all the difference in staying motivated, accountable, and inspired on your fitness journey. Share your goals, challenges, and successes with others who understand the ups and downs of the process. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Embrace the power of community, support each other, and watch your collective motivation soar. Section 11. Your transformation awaits. Embrace the challenge. So there you have it, future fitness stars. You've got the knowledge, the tools, and the motivation to transform your body and your life. Remember, stepping into the gym is a victory in itself. It's about investing in yourself, pushing your limits, and becoming the strongest, healthiest, most confident version of you. Embrace the challenge, stay dedicated, and never give up on your dreams. The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Now get out there, crush your workouts, and show the world what you're made of. Your transformation awaits. Go get it.